Hi guys, this is Sassy Shif. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this month's March unboxing of the Bling Bag is dedicated to us women. Yes, the March edition of the Bling Bag is called Superwoman, as this is their Women's Day special edition. So I'm supremely kicked to take you guys along on this month's unboxing. So if you want to know what's inside this box, then keep on watching. So the Superwoman monthly subscription Bling Bag box is super special as it celebrates you and me, it celebrates us, it celebrates our womanhood. And what I really like about this collection is that they have given such attention to detail and they take us back all the way when we were small girls, we were kids, we were growing up. And it takes me back to the time when I remember the first time when I decided as a kid, what is it that I want to do in life? What is it that I want to achieve? And it just takes me back forever to being a dreamer, an achiever, and setting goals for myself that not only helps me but us as a community. And somehow it reminds me that whenever we speak about gender equality, whenever we speak about womanhood, the camaraderie, being together, lifting each other up. One thing I remember my mother taught me really early on as a kid while growing up in the same household with my other siblings, my brother and my sister, was that we are equals and treat others how you want yourself to be treated by them. And I remember there is no other way we would have but to lift each other up, especially women. There is enough space for all of us to flourish together, work together in the same industry, and that's the only way forward. That's the only way I believe in, I know of, and I was taught of as a young little Sassy Shif says. And I think this Women's Day for me is going to be all about upliftment, sisterhood, and riding this life we have, this beautiful journey we have together. So here's to us, and kudos to Team Bling Bag for coming up with yet another great initiative, great subscription, great idea that goes beyond jewelry, that goes beyond baubles, and it speaks to my soul. So without any further ado, let me show you the amazing pouch, the purse that comes with it. This is how it looks, and it truly symbolizes us as little girls, a happy place, a lot of flowers. You already know what to expect in this Bling Bag. It's going to be full of colors, full of geometrical shapes, full of trendy patterns and designs, and also a nostalgic factor to it. So the Bling Bag is celebrating womanhood, and you and me celebrate every day too. But this month comes special as it reinforces our strong capabilities and the large difference we make to our world. It is great news that globally we're trying to make it a more gender balanced world, leading to a wonderful world full of opportunities for us to grab. So I think Bling Bag has got it bang on with this collection, and one look at the collection will take you from being the superwoman that you are today to the supergirl that you were a few years back. And I think they've done a tremendous job of reminding us of the little girls, little souls that we were a few years back, and it is just celebrating us, celebrating our dreams and all that we've achieved so far. Also, I think out of all the baubles that I've seen, one thing is for sure with the Bling Bag pieces that I saw, each and every piece, each and every bauble from this collection is going to be like a self-reminder for you to celebrate yourself and to appreciate all that you have done, how you've shaped your world on your own. So here's to independence, and here's to we being we. So the first bauble that I'm going to be reaching out to is called Focused Layered Necklace. And one look at the necklace and you will know for sure that it takes you back. The color and the alloy is very rustic, it's antique gold, and I love the layering. It's so pretty and yet it's so elegant at the same time. You just need to have this as a layered option in your wardrobe. So trendy, right? I love such layered up pieces, as I believe they are minimalistic, yet at the same time they do the trick of giving you a stacking up effect without having to take 2 or 3 more jewelry or necklace or baubles options, and I really dig that. So I think I'm wearing like a printed tee right now, but this will do wonders on like a plain white, plain blue, black, or any solid color outfit or tee. But I really love it. I cannot live without them. I love layered necklaces, and this actually reminds me, the geometric shapes takes me back all the way to the school. So I think this is going to be like a very chic, easygoing back to school look, yet with a bit of a grunge. And this month, since the Bling Bag is celebrating Women's Day, it's all about women. If you subscribe to the March edition, which is this Superwoman edition, you get for yourself one bauble absolutely free. So you can head over to the website. I'm going to be linking in all the baubles also to their website. So you can head over to the website and check out for yourself all the other baubles apart from these that you saw, two that are there as a part of the Superwoman collection for the month. Next up are these beautiful purple and colorful Kaveri dangler earrings. Just see how elegant and classy these earrings look, and I feel like this is going to be an ideal pick whether it's a western look or whether it's an Indo-western or completely Indian look. I think these earrings will do a fab job because they're that versatile. Let me quickly throw them on. So this is how the earrings actually look like, the Kaveri dangler earrings. I live for colors, I love vibrant colors, and I think this just speaks to my soul. So I think this is for keeps for sure. Next up are these gorgeous Ghana designer earrings, and look at these statement pieces. I mean, if you have these on, you don't really need any other bauble, and I think these have me sorted for all my travels. I love them. And as you can see, I just threw them on like this, tossed it over very casually on this plain jade tee, and it still looks fabulous. I think I'm in love with them. It's just the shape, the flower dangling at the center, and also the pearl studded all across it. It's just precious. I think this is the statement piece that you need to get your hands on. If you too love floral pieces, dainty pieces, and statement dangling baubles. And the gold color and the dangling metal is so sleek and chic at the same time. I can already tell you for sure I'm obsessed with these. These are hands down my favorite baubles from the March Superwoman collection of the Bling Bag. And you're going to be seeing me in these babies soon when I travel next or I'm doing a look shoot next. So keep a lookout for that. Last but not the least are these stunning and gorgeous studs. This aqua green studs by the Bling Bag March edition, and you can get your hands on this in the Superwoman collection from the March Bling Bag. Those of you who have been following me all my Bling Bag unboxing videos and stories, you know for a fact that I'm obsessed with beautiful cutesy studs, and if I'm wearing something formal or if I'm dressing down, then studs are my best bets and my most go-to pieces of jewelry. I might miss out on a watch or rings, but I'll never miss out on cute, colorful studs. And I think my jewelry box was actually missing out on aqua green studs that has like a rustic golden alloy look to it. So I think now that I have this, it is complete. I think this really combines chic with vintage because the alloy is rustic and golden, and the color of the stone in between is very fresh aqua green. So I think it's going to be really an easy vintage chic mix for you. I love how the March Bling Bag collection called Superwoman, each and every bauble that you saw here had a story to tell, and it just takes you back to being a girl and from where you started. Always be proud of where you come from, as your roots are what will take you where you want to go in your life. So celebrate yourself, celebrate your existence and your roots. So that is all from me, guys. This was me, Sassy Shif, signing off. I hope you guys loved and enjoyed the Bling Bag March edition Superwoman Bling Bag. And if you want more such unboxing videos and reviews, whether it is fashion, travel, lifestyle or beauty, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention in the comments below what is the next video that you'd want me to put out or shoot, and I'll be more than happy to bring it for you all. Until then, keep it sassy.